I thought it was kind of comical too. Every once in a while I come across an acorn. See how this acorn is split and it looks like it's starting to grow. Look at this one here. And that's because last winter, or before winter, the squirrels found some acorns and they dug up and put them in here. And I was talking to a friend of mine and he said, yeah, squirrels like to do that. Not necessarily to eat the nut, but to eat the shoots. They like to eat these shoots after they come up. And they do the same thing with daffodils and different bulbs and stuff. Lots of time tulip bulbs, they'll just eat the whole thing. But sometimes they take different things. They're like sunflower seeds. They'll take those and then they'll dig them and then they wait for the sunflower seeds to sprout and then they eat the sprouts. Those little buggers are pretty smart.